Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to build a form on your phone. First, sign into the Google account you'll use and open Google Drive or your mobile browser. Once done, tap New and choose Google Forms or open the Forms option in the Drive menu. This creates a blank form you can edit. Make sure to set a clear title and short description so respondents know the purpose. You'll see a first question field immediately. Start typing to begin capturing responses right away. Now you'll add questions and configure each one. Tap the plus icon to insert types like multiple choice, short answer, or drop-down. As you add items, use the required switch for must-answer fields, tap the three-dot menu to duplicate or delete, and drag questions to reorder the flow. For richer forms, attach images or videos and insert section breaks to guide respondents through steps. Make sure to preview the form periodically, so the layout reads well on small screens. Finish by reviewing settings and sharing your form. Open settings to choose collecting emails, response limits, or allowing edits after submit. Once configured, tap Send and pick a link, email, or sharing option. Copy the link for messaging apps. After sharing, monitor responses in the Responses tab and export to Sheets if needed. If something goes wrong, try refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or switching to the Google Drive app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.